guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a Valentine's Day video. It is a conversation heart in a plush form, and this is a great way to decorate your room for Valentine's Day or as a perfect gift for Valentine's Day. And yeah, please like, subscribe, comment down below, don't forget the notification bell on, and yeah, enjoy!
You're going to need some fabric, a stencil, needle and thread, paintbrush and paint if you're going to go that route, or you can just use Sharpie, or you can get more fabric and glue it on. You're also going to need some stuffing. You're going to start off by getting your fabric, make sure it's folded in half, and trace your heart onto the fabric. It is best to use pencil, but I am using Sharpie so you guys can see it way better. Now you're going to go ahead and cut out the heart. Now you're going to go ahead and cut out a strip of fabric. Now you're going to go ahead and sew the side of the strip of fabric and the heart. We are doing a single stitch right here to combine the two. Once you're all done, you're gonna have to do the same thing to the other heart. Next, you're gonna make sure you leave a hole and stuff the whole thing up and make sure it's nice and fluffy. First way I'm going to show you how to write on your heart is start off by writing the words on your heart in pencil. I'm doing XOXO. You can do it in Sharpie after, or you can go over it with paint. If you want to be more extra, you can even cut out pieces of other colored fabric and glue it right on top of the heart.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, don't put the notification bell on, and also comment down below if you like the new background. I usually film in front of my curtains, and what do you think of me filming in front of my bed? And yeah, bye!
We don't have to be ordinary. Make your best mistakes, 'cause we don't have the time to be sorry. So baby, be the life of the party. I'm telling you to take your shot.